Right. Hi, good day, guys. I am Adrian, the technician at Mac Repairs. Today we have an A1466 MacBook Air that's not turning on. As you can see, when I plug in the charger, we are getting a green light, then orange, but no fan spin. The fan is not spinning, right? So I'm just gonna check for a few voltages here. Let's check for PP bus. 0 volts on PP bus. So let's check 3342. It will be there because there's a green light on the charger, right? Without the 3.42 volts, there will be no green light on the charger, right? So we have that. So we have a problem with the PP bus. So I'm gonna check for a short now. Let me check for a short on PP bus. No. And look at that, there's a short, right? But the fuse is also blown because I'm only getting voltage on one side of the fuse. Alright, so let's do a bit of visual inspection and see if we could find the culprit for this short. Bringing the light, proper lighting. Okay. Yes, this seems to be blown. Yes guys, so I replaced all the parts that were needed to be replaced. Cleaned up a bit, right? And now I'm going to test to see if everything is so we have a green light, and look at that, we have fan spin. Alright, so I'm going to put this device back together and see if we have a chime and if the device is turning on. Right, don't forget to like, share. Yeah, so thanks for your support also. It's amazing the support I have from you guys, yeah. And don't forget to check out our shop also on Facebook. We sell all parts and repair all devices, not only Macs, PCs, TVs, tablets, phones, everything. All right? Yeah. Right guys, so it's time for us to test this device and see if it's coming on. Let me push the power button. Moment of truth. And yes, we have a chime. Look at that. We have, yes, sorry about that, right? Yes, we have power, right? So thanks for watching guys, and stay tuned for the next video.